Hello everyone, look at this weather. Have you ever just looked up at the sky and thought staying inside today is absolutely not an option? Well, yes, we neither. The day is way too beautiful to waste, so we are dropping everything, packing a bag, and we are going camping. Grab your life jacket and get ready for a sun-soaked adventure. In this video, we're catching the sunrise right by the water, getting a quick soak at the beach, cooking up some incredible food, and ending the day completely relaxed. Just lounging in the car and soaking up this lake view. Let's get into it! This is a Pony Assing travel channel, and we're going camping at Lake Byllesby. So we got our permit secured, map in hand, which means we are officially legal and ready to roll. Woohoo! According to this, our perfect little lakeside slice of paradise is just a short drive away. So let's go find it. Lake Byllesby sits right on the edge of Cannon Falls, Minnesota. It is the absolute largest lake in southern Dakota County, and the views out here are stunning. Fun fact, this whole reservoir was actually created back in the day by a hydroelectric dam on the Canon River. What makes this spot perfect for a spontaneous getaway is that the campground sits right along the shoreline. We've got incredible waterfront views, miles of trails, like the Milltown State Trail right at our feet, and a sandy swimming beach just down the way. And this place is only about 30 miles southeast of the Twin Cities. It feels like you're way up north without the brutal drive. It is literally the ultimate spot to just turn off your phone and reset. Let me just back up a little bit. I think our map brought us to the exact slice of paradise we were looking for. I'm just so excited to set up our home base tonight. So this is going to be our campsite tonight, and we are at the biggest body of water west of the Mississippi River corridor in this area. It is a massive pit stop for migrating birds. Between the wildlife, the breeze coming off the lake, it's just so relaxing. All right, the moment of truth. This is a brand new tent. I have literally never opened this bag, never looked at the instructions, and never set it up before. Doing a first-time tent assembly live on camera in the middle of a windy afternoon, what could possibly go wrong? Okay, as you can see, I'm out here fighting these poles like they have a mind of their own, and Lynn is reading the instructions out loud. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? It's basically a giant puzzle, and we can do this together. Oh wait, Lynn just cracked the code. Click this loop here. Just take down that corner and oh my, I'm impressed. It's actually working. The engineering degree we don't have is finally paying off. Once you get the rhythm down, it's actually a pretty slick design. Thanks to the official manual reader, we are officially halfway to a fully functioning lakeside villa. Look at that. First try, 0 missing pieces, and she is officially standing. We have successfully built home base right here at Lake Byllesby. And check this out. We also put up this little mini tent right next to it, which is strictly designated as our official afternoon nap pod for whenever we feel like it. Absolutely game changer. Beautiful. You know what? Honestly, now that it's up, this tent is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the lines on this thing. We are seriously so impressed by how spacious and solid it feels, especially for our very first time putting it together. The rainfly fits perfectly. The view out the mesh windows is incredible, and I am officially giving it a 10 out of 10. Man, it's so relaxing in here. We just finished setting everything up and we're now finally sitting down inside the tent to have our very first meal of the trip. Look at this view right from our front door. You've got the breeze coming off the lake, the sound of the water, and honestly, eating nice food while staring at the scenery like this, it doesn't get any better. Now that the hard work is out of the way, it is time to reward ourselves with the best part of the day. Let's head down to the beach. This is one of the best parts of the entire park. Dakota County recently put a ton of love into renovating this whole waterfront area, and it shows. They expanded the sandy swimming beach. And what makes it so unique is how thoughtfully everything was designed during the recent upgrades. They actually built an entire nature-themed play area right next to the shoreline. Instead of using standard plastic structures, the interactive splash pad is made of beautiful natural stones and water pumps. Your kids can literally build their own miniature dams with real pebbles and rocks. Plus, they have sand volleyball courts, horseshoe pits, and a fully modern plaza with a public fire pit. Or if you just want to sit back, they even have heavy wood lounge chairs scattered along the shore overlooking the water. Believe me, it completely elevates the usual camping beach experience into a high-end park day. Whether you want to jump in for a swim, build a sand castle, or just do what we're doing and find a quiet spot to lay out a blanket, the vibes down here are unmatched. It feels like exactly like a classic summer resort town right in our backyard. Let's head to the playground. We love to show you this part. Because this is not your average neighborhood park, this is a fully custom, nature-based play area. Dakota County designed this whole space using massive natural wood timbers, climbing ropes, and giant stone boulders. It's built to blend right in with the surrounding forest and Canon River Valley. And honestly, it looks like an absolute blast. And even me, as I look at this and immediately want to start climbing everything. It looks so much fun. There is a specific feeling you get when you're walking back to a campsite after a perfect day. Your skin is warm from the sun. Your feet are a little sandy. And your mind is just completely quiet. Our hearts are overflowing with happiness right now. It is so easy to get caught up in the daily grind, the schedules, and the screens. But moments like this remind you what actually matters. Just being outside, breathing fresh air, and sharing a beautiful space with your family, friends, or even by yourself. You can hear the birds wrapping up their day, and the wind coming off Lake Byllesby is just so therapeutic. It's like nature is giving you a giant exhale, and you can't help but do the same. All those small things you normally stress about just completely evaporate out here. You realize that a beautiful day isn't something you need to plan months in advance. Sometimes you just have to grab a map, get in the car, and let the day surprise you. Every single step back to this campsite feels like a victory lap. We came out here with zero expectations, and we are walking back with a memory we are going to talk about for a really long time. The tents are waiting, the lake is glowing, and this overflowing happiness is exactly why we started the Aponiasing Travel channel in the first place, to capture real, pure joy. Now let's go get cozy, watch this sunset, and cook some dinner. Woohoo! My favorite part of the day. We are keeping it super fresh and simple tonight. We've got some baby potatoes, a big bunch of fresh asparagus, and a ridiculous amount of butter into the pan because camp calories definitely don't count. We're just letting these potatoes get nice and crispy on the edges and the asparagus soaking up all the flavor. Ooh, look at that. This pork has been marinating in a sweet and savory sauce all day. And the second it hits the heat, the smell is just insane. You get the rich smoky barbecue aroma mixing with the lake breeze, and it is making my mouth water just by looking at it. It's simple, it's fast, and for me, it looks better than a 5-star restaurant right now. Oh, you can probably hear that wind howling outside. The breeze coming off Lake Byllesby right now is no joke, and the trees are really putting on a show out there. But inside this tent, you wouldn't even know it. This thing is proving to be incredibly sturdy, and it is keeping us perfectly warm and insulated. And after that perfect dinner, we step outside the tent for a quick minute just to look around. And one of the first things that stands out here is just how incredibly safe it feels. This campground is so well maintained. The layout is open, and they have excellent modern lighting along the main paths. Even with the wind howling, there is this total sense of security and peace out here. You don't feel isolated or uneasy at all. It's just a perfectly secure, quiet sanctuary where you can truly let your guard down and get a great night's sleep. Good morning. It actually rained pretty hard for a bit last night. You could hear the drops drumming on the car roof, but it was the ultimate white noise. Under the cozy blankets, we slept like absolute babies. And look at it now. The rain has completely passed, the lake is dead calm, and the air feels so incredibly fresh and crisp. It is the most beautiful, rewarding morning. Time for coffee. This spontaneous getaway was exactly what our souls needed. From fighting that brand new tent in the wind, to eating that incredible pork barbecue, to waking up to the most peaceful rain-fresh morning, Lake Byllesby truly delivered the perfect escape. It just shows that you don't need a massive budget or months of planning to find pure joy. Sometimes you just have to drop everything and step outside. Thank you all so much for traveling along with us today. Again, this is a Pony Asing Travel Channel saying live your life to the fullest.